All right, let me show you a simple trick here that we're going to need. We're going to do what's called taking the transpose of a matrix. Now, if I have a matrix A equals 0, 1, 2, 3, the way we're going to make the transpose is to flip the matrix about the diagonal. So we'll write this A and we'll put a superscript T up. That superscript T means that we flip it along the diagonal. So the things that are on the diagonal stay the same. The 0 stays the same. The one that was in the upper right moves to the lower left. And the 2 that was in the lower right moves to the lower left, moves to the upper right. And then the other element 3 was also along the diagonal. So this is the transpose. So the transpose of the matrix 0, 1, 2, 3 is the matrix 0, 2, 1, 3. All right, so what happens if the size of the matrix isn't square? Let's use just a vector as an example. If I have the vector 1, 2 as a row, if we transpose that, then it just becomes the column vector 1, 2. So note that in this case, nothing changed about the order of the elements, only the shape and position of the matrix did. So the 1 row, 2 column matrix became a 2 row, 1 column matrix. That's how you transpose a vector and how you transpose a full matrix. Remember everyone, stay safe. I'll see you in the next video.